Alright, welcome back to Moonrest Workshop. Today we're going to be looking at our new Predator 9500 generator from Harbor Freight. We just picked this up. We're going to open it up, take a look at what's inside so you can know what to expect whenever you make your purchase. Alright, so the first thing you need to know, this is not a one-person job unloading this thing or loading it into the back of a pickup. Harbor Freight will be glad to load it in the back of a truck with a forklift. You still have to get it off the back of the truck when you get home. So be prepared to have some kind of a ramp, engine hoist, something. This thing's 300 plus pounds and it's awkward, it's big, it's in a box. It's gonna be more than one person or you're gonna have to have some kind of assistance. So be prepared for that as you make your purchase. All right, of course, packaging, basic cardboard packaging. You open it up. You're going to see more cardboard. Of course, all your paperwork and the generator itself. We're going to start pulling this out, get it kind of out where we can work with it, and hopefully put everything together and get it ready for a startup. All right, so I'm actually a little bit surprised here. Wheels, handle, everything's already put on the generator when you open the box. I was expecting to have to put wheels on, handle on, basically assemble the extra components on the generator itself. But as you can see here, I mean, when you open the box, it's together. I'm sure there's going to be some stuff we have to do around battery, oil, that kind of stuff. But as far as assembly goes, what you see is what you get. When you pull it out of the box, it's ready to go. All right, you can see here we've got everything unboxed. See the generator. You have a box of different cord ends, connectors, some basic tools, of course your instruction manual, and a funnel. What this unit does not come with out of the box, oil to go in the motor, as well as a battery for the electric start. So you will have to pick those things up separate. We'll go through those in another video. Just wanted you guys to see what was in the box and what you could expect whenever you left the store with the Predator 9500 inverter generator from Harbor Freight. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so we bring you more content. We'll be looking at this generator a lot more in some other videos. You'll see some startups, how we get ready for the first start, break-in period. Lots more to come on this generator as we get ready to use it. Thanks for watching.